What's up, guys? SquidKid49 here, back with another video, and today, we have 50 subscribers. Took us like 8 months, but we did it. Yep. And as you know, for every milestone, YouTube grants you with a reward, and yeah. So, in the mail today, I got the paper play button. I kind of actually might have made it myself, possibly. Maybe. So, as you can see, it's got the perfect detail. It says, presented to SquidKid49 for surpassing 50 subscribers. And that has the YouTube symbol down there. And I'm super proud of it because that was my first play button. It's going to go like right here. I wonder what will happen when we hit 100 subscribers. Hopefully it doesn't take another 8 months. I will start doing live streams now. Maybe on Geometry Dash. That's my cat's tail. So, the reason I'm a bit bored sounding is because I'm super tired, but I am also super excited at the same time. No, he's crunching out the play button. Okay, I gotta hang it up as soon as possible. I'm gonna go pause the video and get me some tape. Here we go, guys. I have the tape. Here we go. One corner. Just gonna put it right. Right here would be good. People. So with that, the deed is done. It wasn't a very hard one, but we have the paper play button. And we have 3,000 views. If you go into my about thing, then you'll see how many views I have. Right now I have like 3,100 something. So, guys, that's the end of a very, what would you call it? Celebrative video. So that is the end of our video. I'm very proud of myself. And the SquidGang and stuff. They aren't here right now, though, so. Because of quarantine, I hate quarantine, so bye, peoples.